Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this Ecoflow Delta 2 portable power stations. I know I just made one recently, but it gets better. This one, it's going to have, you can buy together with the solar panels, portable ones, and along with the power station and get deep discounts. As you can see right here for the Ecoflow Delta 2, regular price is $9.99. However, with the discount and promo code that I will be providing in the descriptions, it'll bring the items down to $752 and excuse me, and 57 cents. That's a total saving of $246. Also, these the portable excuse me, Ecoflow panel. This is 220 watts bifacials. Okay, and as you can see here, it has its own kickstands, waterproof, IP68, and durable. This is perfect for off the grid living. So if you're camping or you live in a cabin, this is perfect. Total, you're gonna be paying about $1,210.05, and depending on where you live, the tax might vary. In my case, I live in California, so I'm looking to pay about $114.95 on the taxes. So total would come out to be $1,325 for the whole package here. And as you know, this is very expandable. If you can spend a little bit more and buy the battery itself that give you more kilowatt hours, and I think you can expand it up to 3 altogether. Okay, so if you're looking into this, going to save you if there's a power outage. You never know what happens, like the one recently that we have in Florida. You know, California hardly, but you never know. With your power company, sometimes, you know, here's Edison's. Sometimes I get maybe like 3 to 4 times out of the year, and maybe max like 3 hours max, but often there's around maybe 45 minutes to an hour of power outage. With this, you can power your crucial stuff, such as your refrigerator, or if you need to use a microwave for your son or your children. You know, this will be great. So here we go again. I don't know when the promotion's going to end, so just take advantage of it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. But other than that, take care and enjoy the savings. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much.